So I basically spent something like 1000 RS to 2000 RS on like clothes, and the reason why like I buy these clothes is not like just for the sake of buying clothes or just for the sake of like getting instant dopamine hit and like pleasure and want to like I want to look better and basically like there is not like any single reason like for like any materialistic and hedonistic reason, and I'm like not distracted and like I'm always focused on like the main thing, and I bought like these clothes so that like I'm like constantly uploading videos every single day, and I see like I basically wear one type of cloth for like almost a lot of videos, and I think I have to like basically change clothes because like a lot of people were saying me like change your clothes, you should basically wear like these few clothes in your videos. So I'm like going to change my clothes in like video, and the thing is that like I really don't care, and I really don't care about like what I wear and what not I wear, because like the only thing that matters is like how much value can I provide to my clients and what problems can I solve and what value can I like provide with these videos, and nothing else matter. My looks don't matter, my what I wear don't like really matter, but like I have to kind of listen to people, and I just don't care like what other people like think of me, like whatever I'm wearing, and it just does not matter because when I'm going to die, I would not like care about clothes and what like I used to wear. But like still, I am like a teenager, and I want to like build my personal brand, and I want to basically look like a business owner and not like just some random crazy like unproductive and unhealthy teen, and that's why like I bought this clothes, and I actually don't have money to buy them, and my brother paid all of this for this, and my father also contribute 500 RS and my brother 100, and I'm like forever grateful for like my family and like my father and my brother forever and forever, and I bought this, and I'm like going to show you basically what clothes I buy. So let me show you them. So the first cloth that I bought is of something like 350 RS I think so, and it's like basically a white shirt, and I don't know like how to show you this. I hope like you can see it right now. Yeah, I hope, and that's just what it is, and I like white shirts and black shirts, and these like two are my favorite colors, and I'm like a business owner, and like I should not like care about these things, and I just like should focus on my business and not on like these things, and I'm like feeling very regret, and that's like just not me, and that's not something that I myself identify as someone like who wear expensive and nice clothes. So I can like it's like out of what like I consider myself and what I identify myself as. So still like I bought these clothes because I have to, I don't need to, and I just have to, so I bought them, and let me show you the next cloth. Next thing we've got is like two pants, and let me like basically show you, and as you can see like them, and like these, that is it, and like nothing else, and I like black pants, and I really don't like want to buy it, but I just buy it for the just sake of buying it, and I actually don't have any pants to like wear, and I like wear just trousers all the time, and I think I'm wearing this trouser for almost like I don't want to tell it, but I have to tell it because like I'm always truthful, transparent, and honest. So I've been wearing it for like 7 to 14 days now, and I have not like changed it. And I know it might like sound a little bit crazy and a little bit weird, and it's unhygienic. I know, but there's nothing like I can do. I have like a lot of stress fatigue, and it's not stress fatigue, I mean decision fatigue, and I have to like constantly make decision, and I just want to make sure that like I'm always focusing on the main thing, which is like my business, and I know like it might sound like crazy, and believe me or not, like I'm like really crazy person, and Yeah, like I'm crazy, and these are the like pants that are about, and let me show you like other clothes as well. Next one is like my really favorite one, and I think I'm going to wear it like a lots of time, and it's like this. And yeah, like I basically love this type of hoodies, this type of shirts, and I like really appreciate them. And I'm like going to wear this in December a lot, and in January, and at the time of my board exam also, and on the time of like Palm Festival in my college also. And like it's like very awesome, and I just love it purely, and it's like awesome. And I actually forget this price. It was something like 250 rs. And keep in mind that like I'm very poor, and I have to like borrow money from like my, not like borrow money, but actually ask help and basically get money from my brother and my father. And I cannot like afford these things, even though like I say I'm like a business owner, but I'm actually not, because like my business is not like making any money, and I actually don't like have any clients now, and like I'm focusing on my studies, so that's why. And I like appreciate, and I'm like deeply grateful for like my family, and basically my parents and my brother, to help me like navigate this hard phase of my life where like I don't have any clients for my business, and I'm like still grinding and still like working so much hard. And I like appreciate them, and I love them. And like there are like basically my why behind everything that I do. And this is like amazing, and I'm going to wear it a lot of the time. And now let me show you like some other clothes which is only one, and it is like a t-shirt. So let me show you that also. The next one is basically it's this, and I hope you can see it. And it's like amazing, and I bought it because it looked like premium, and it's like green, and I have not like wear any cloth that is green, so that's why like I basically purchased this. And I saw Iman Gadsi wearing this thing, that's why like I also want to wear this thing. And it's also amazing, and it's like from, you can see, it's US Polo. It's like US Polo ASSN, authentic since 1819, and it's like not expensive. It's something around 39 rs, and I love it, and I'm going to wear it like a lot of the time in like business meetings, and like whenever like I'm doing something related to business, and in my board exam also, and in college, and in like any marriages that I will like go. And it's like very good quality and very premium looks, and I love it. And these are the clothes that basically I have. And like I like feel regret about like buying clothes and stuff like that, because I like want to basically want to like make money. And you, the way you make money is like you basically sell things, and I'm like not selling things, I'm basically being a consumer. And I like hate like being a consumer and just like consuming things. I want to basically produce things and sell things, and not just like buy. And I don't consider myself someone like who buys things frequently. I consider myself as someone who sell things frequently. So that's why I am like feeling regret, and I'm like not feeling well. And I know like I have to do these things, and I just don't care. I really don't care what other people think of me in terms of like what I wear and what I do not wear. Yes, about these clothes. And you might be thinking, how do I like become this kind of person who like buys clothes and like basically wears clothes? And honestly, I do not care, and I really do not care what like in terms of what I wear and what I do not wear, because the only thing that like matters to me in like YouTube and my YouTube channel is that like I'm basically providing value in my YouTube videos and solving problems, and like I'm actually helping my clients get exceptional and insane results. And that's the thing that like I really care about the most. And I could not care less about what people think of me, and what like I wear. And I just bought it because I just like want to make sure I'm like not wearing same clothes in every single of my video. And I want to like make like wear clothes, different clothes in like a lot of different videos, and not like just one single cloth and two or three clothes in like every single video that I make. The thing is that the day I start like obsessing over buying things and like watches, cars, and basically like expensive things and things that like really don't matter to me, and the day like I start like buying things like this and spend like a lots of money on that, then like it's the day when it's like the death of my business and it's like the death of original Imran, and I'm like not materialistic person, and I'm like not going to get trapped in materialism and like the pursuit of buying things and seeking pleasure after pleasure. And I know like the the thing that like I say to like most of people is that these limited things in the universe cannot like fill the infinite void that is within you, and there's like no amount of watches, no amount of cars, no amount of like any materialistic pursuit that is gonna fill that infinite void. And basically the material things of universe, the in like the limited amounts of things and the finite amounts of like objects and things in the universe can fill the deep void within you, which is like infinite and endless, and basically it's infinite. These like finite things can't fill it, and you have to fill that with like purpose and meaning. I like basically used to read, not just read, but basically binge read, and was like addicted to like reading books. And I am like still kind of, but I am like not very much. And I used to like read 1 to 2 books every single day, and basically it cost me a lot, and I have spent like 30k to like 40k on just like books and stuff like that. And I'm like going to keep spending a lot of money on like buying books and buying books. And the next time like I'm going to buy like a lots of books, 10 to like 20 books, is before this year end, December like 2025. And I'm going to like make a vlog about that also. There's like really one thing that I think no one will understand who is watching this, and if you can understand it, then like just congratulations, you like understand like the greatest thing that you can like possibly understand. So the thing that like I want to basically tell you is that the purpose of life, the meaning of life is just like any animal like that is like on planet Earth, and like has the same like purpose, and humans basically have the same purpose as animals. We are like just animals and creatures of like this planet Earth, and we like just have to like survive and reproduce. But the thing is that we survive and we reproduce, but after that we want like power and status, and we like get power and status. But the thing about like humans is that animals like get satisfied after they get like power and status, but like human beings are like they never ever got satisfied by like power and status. They have like a deep void within themselves, which like no finite things in the universe can fill it, and they only can fill it through like having a purpose in life and basically having a meaning. And not like there's no amount of like materialistic objects in the world, in the universe, that can fill that endless infinite void, and you can only fill it through like meaning and purpose. You can like see that building. It's like one is like Tata Communication and the other company is BSNL, and basically BSNL is now a bankrupt company, and I don't know like why it's bankrupt, but it's completely bankrupt. And in future maybe like I can also like have my company get bankrupted when like I'm not involved in my company, and I think that would be like very shameful. But I can like say with absolutely certainty that my company is like never ever going to be bankrupt, and any company that I invest in, and any company that I buy, and any company that like I manage, and basically I like I'm some sort of like involved, is like never ever going to like get bankrupt like BSNL. And the thing about Tata Communication is that I don't know like a lot about Tata Communication and what's happening with it, and I cannot like say so much about it because I just don't have enough information about it. Also have like Bombay Stock Exchange, and it's the place where a lot of big companies of India are basically registered, and you can like buy and sell shares. And it's I think you can also like buy and share like securities in the past, but not now. And I just want to like in future I will like visit that place also, Bombay Stock Exchange, and I will like hopefully make a vlog about that if they allow to basically make it. And I think if I like become a really big YouTuber, then I will basically get pretty much discounts on equity, and that's what I want. And I can like spend like 100. I can like basically invest 100 million in a lot of different like businesses by getting like discounts on equities. And that's like what I really want to do through this like channel, and through this whole like YouTube thing. And I just want to like get discounts on equities, and not just like few percent. I just want to like have insane discounts that people are like willing to give me just because I have a like a massive YouTube channel.